Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome aboard the Shans Express. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and drop a comment down below before you leave. And for everyone else, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Alright, so it is raining cats and dogs right now. So if you hear the little noise in the background, that's the rain. Now, in today's video, I will be showing you guys how to make a simple DIY wall decor. So check the description box below to see a list of all the items I used and where you can get some of them to purchase cheap. Alright, let's jump into the video. Alright, so first things first, we are going to start off by making our paper butterflies. So I basically just got some sheets of plain paper and I cut them into different sizes. So just watch carefully to see how the designs come out. So right here I'm folding the paper in half. Then what I'll do next is to draw just a half of the butterfly on one side, starting from the crease, and then I'm gonna cut that out and then we move on from there. So just continue watching just to see how they come out. Alright, so now that that's done, the next thing is for us to cut out the butterfly. Alright, so the next step is to get some color onto these butterflies. So this is just a sample. I didn't really use this one on my design. It was just the first one that I tried out. So, just to get a feel of it. As you can see, it looks different. Don't laugh at my butterfly, guys. But yeah, we're just gonna add some color to it. And the best thing to use are pencil crayons. However, I couldn't find any pencil crayons in the house, so I ended up just using some ball crayons that belongs to my baby girl. Alright, so don't laugh if I broke up crayon them. Cool? Yeah. Now what you see me doing right now is I am just making a type of indent in the center of the butterfly. Now what this does is it gives it a more 3D feel or look, I should say. So you just watch carefully. If you need to rewind that little section, go ahead and do so just to see how I accomplished that. So basically when you do it down on the cardboard, you get this 3D feel instead of it, this 3D look instead of it just being flat. Alright, you guys still with me? Yeah. So I'm just using a gel ink pen right here to get I'll be using the gel ink pen to basically get some dots after I'm finished with the color. So I won't be using it just yet, but you guys will see when and how I use it. Alright, just stay tuned and continue watching. So what I'm doing is I'm just coloring the edges of the butterflies. You guys can totally do it different. You don't have to follow step by step every single thing that I do. You can make it your own. So if you want to just color everything, you can color everything. It's up to you. As you can see there, I'm putting like some of the strokes inwards. Just I don't know. I just felt like doing that. So you guys just make it your own if you choose to do this project. And I mean, it's pretty simple and the materials are really basic, so you guys can do it. Try it out. And this is just a nice wall decor that you can put in your kids' room if you have kids, or if you want to just make it a bit more elegant and put it in your living room or anywhere you'd like to put it, it's fine. As I said, it's just the materials that are used here. If you want to use different materials, you can definitely go ahead and do so. This is just the idea. So I'm going to stop talking now, and if I have anything important to add, then I'll come back and say it. And now here you guys see how I use the gel ink pen. There it is. And now what I have here are the items I will be using to paint the cardboard. Now guys, I used a box cutter. I'm going to put the picture on the screen of the box cutter that I used to cut my cardboard. You definitely don't have to make your circle so thin. I just chose it this way. You can definitely make it thicker. Alright, so I did not use the spray paint. I opted to use the paint and paintbrush to get my color. So stay tuned and you guys will see how this came along. Alright, so now that it's painted, I'm going to let it dry. And then it's time for us to add our butterflies once it's dry. So I ended up using the paint instead of the spray paint because I have another project that I will be doing and I wanted a spray paint for that specific project. So I wanted to save it, you know. Plus the paint is okay. It's fine. So let's just see how it turns out when it's dry. If it's not to my liking, then I can go in with the spray paint. Now, if you've made it this far in my video, it shows that you are a loyal supporter. So just drop a comment down below and say Lavish Boutique. Alright, so I just want to take this time to get you guys onto my business. So you can see my Instagram page is there at lavish_boutique. And my WhatsApp number is there as well. You can call or message for any inquiries. Now guys, you can get a lace wig made for as low as $3,000 if you provide your hair, or you can purchase different wigs for me where I would source the hair and make the wig for you. You can get pressure wigs as low as $4,000, the wig itself, and you can get braided wigs for as low as $8,000. So just link me up on Instagram or WhatsApp, guys. And if you're not in Kingston or St. Catherine, still link me up. I do island-wide shipping. Alright, so back to business. I have my butterflies here all colored and ready to go. I have my cardboard here with the paint already dried, and I have a glue gun. So these are the items that I will use to finish off this project. So just stay tuned. And there you have it, guys. Just a simple little wall decor. Remember, you can choose to do this differently. This is just putting you guys onto the idea. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys.